from a standstill 6S. What happens if we just hold the throttle down right here? Version 2s. Boys, today we're gonna be trying out the brand new version 2 Life of Ballen paddle tires here. We have done some additions to them to hopefully increase our durability while not losing the traction. But the first thing we're gonna be doing to my precious 6S Mini Maxx here is we're actually gonna be putting on the Traxxas metal axles instead of the GPM metal axles. And huge shout out to Havoc Speed down in West Palm, Florida for these amazing axles. Guys, I have them listed in the description, but when everybody else in the entire world is sold out, Havoc Speed has exactly what you need and they ship right to your door. So you guys, if you ever need anything, go order from there. Tell the owners, Anthony and Ray, hello, and they are some great people. So huge shout out to Havoc Speed for these things today. So we're gonna get them on here because they saw our popping out problem that we're having on all of these axles. Well, I say all of them, and I really just mean this back right one that just keeps popping out no matter what. So we're gonna go ahead and put the Traxxas ones in here and see if that fixes the problem. Let's get on it. Guys, the axles are all installed here. See how nice they are. If you guys want the part number again, here is the exact part number that I am using. I will have the link down below. Okay guys, next thing with this Mini Maxx. I told you guys that I wanted to find a way to keep the body on, and it's just gonna be a little homemade thing. Well, I tried the magnetic system here. Magnets just weren't strong enough. It was a fun idea, probably would work with some super strong magnets. But next thing I'm gonna try is some massive Velcro here on the little spots there, and probably gonna try to put it on some other spots too on the body. So let's go ahead and get this going and see if this will work in this whole video. What is up guys? Today we have an awesome video on my 6S Mini Maxx here, but the main thing we're gonna be testing today is the Life of Ballen paddle tires version number 2. Version number 1 had a problem with the hexes. So here we got version number 2 that we've been working on. Hopefully making the hexes a lot stronger. What better could we test it on than the 6S Mini Maxx? But first, we're gonna be trying out this brand new 4S battery from Turnigy here, also available at Hobby King. We're gonna be trying that thing out on here and seeing how well these paddle tires do out here in all of this sand. Let's get into it, guys. And from last video with the Mini Maxx, guys, I told you I'm gonna try to figure out a homemade way to keep the body on a lot better. So I'll show you here. I ended up putting Velcro inside of here and on the truck. Right there, you can kind of tell it's a little bit harder to get off, so we're gonna exactly see how well that helps. And then coupled with the M2C battery tray here for these mini version cars, this big old battery is gonna fit in there perfectly. And just like that, guys, this big old battery fits in there perfectly. So we're gonna get this thing going. And don't worry, guys, we are gonna run this on 6S in the video. We're just gonna see how well the paddle tires hold up with this new battery first on 4S. Let's get it. Nicer day out here in Texas. It is high 80s. So let's go have some fun on this beautiful girl and just test these paddle tires. Look at it already throwing up stuff. Oh my God, guys, oh my God, look at it throw up the sand. Look at it throw up the sand on here. I don't know how well it's gonna backflip because they don't weigh anything. Oh dang, there goes, I think the body got caught on the tires though. But so far, not bad, not bad. Look at this little booger. This thing has been so much fun, and look at it just bust through the sand. Oh my God. Go hit another jump and see how well it backflips on these paddles. Again, they don't weigh like real tires do. What happened? Oh, you kidding me? We went to the Traxxas axles and they still popped out. So I'm thinking this arm is flexing too much. That's ridiculous. We're front wheel drive just digging in. Let's go get that thing fixed and get back to ripping. All right, guys, we got it all fixed up here again. Let's get back to ripping. We got our big sand hill here. Look at that, no problem. Oh yeah,
At some points, it probably gets too much grip on these. Just taking down bushes with us. Dang, it just throws sand, guys. It's just throwing sand. We love it. We love paddle tires. Version 2, and they're not gonna balloon like your other ones. Look at it, skirt across the field like that. That's self-riding for you. Quarter throttle just wants to stand up. Oh, I love just watching the sand fall. Sand get thrown from everywhere. This castle system sounds got a turbo on there. You can't even see the car when it's going. We can still rip a bunch of flips, oh my God. It doesn't matter how much the tires weigh. Look at it. They're like massive fans. Let's go, baby. This 4S is working great. No problem self-riding. A lot of people's asked me what diffs I'm running. If you want to build this car exactly like me, all the parts are listed down in the description below. Because I'm going to say this right now, but my diffs has held up very well. And watch them go out this episode. Dusty. Sunday. I'd say they're doing pretty good, guys. What do y'all think? Somebody in the comments going to be like, too much grip. Body's holding on. I would say significantly better. Oh, I say that and it comes off every time now. About time to go over to the canyon, but I can't. I have so much fun just watching it do that. All right, without the body, let's just hold the throttle down on this jump, guys. What happens if we just hold the throttle down right here? All right. I love how everybody complained whenever I did that. On stock drive shafts, it shredded everything, but with the metal drive shafts, you're not gonna have a problem like that. All right. So I'd say it passed the test out here. Let's go over to the canyon. Oh yeah, baby. Here you go. Oh, it hit a big root. Here comes up the canyon over here. Look at that little booger go. Okay. So we definitely, okay, axle came out on that side. So yeah, I think these A-arms are slightly bent enough that they're coming out, but because we definitely keep having this problem, but I brought my tool to fix it. So give me 1 second. It'll be done like that. Get another one of those beautiful ones coming up here. No, don't make me go down there. This is the sand buster right here, boys. I don't think we got enough speed to hit this, but let's see, this is about to step up. Almost. Oh. Nice. Oh. Good thing I'm already halfway down here. Play for a little bit more on 4S, and then we're gonna go to 6S. The little twirl at the top. All right, let's launch this thing now. I think it came out again. These paddles work pretty good, but this pop-out problem, yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to get some new A-arms. What do you guys think would help that? Because these are the Traxxas axles now, so they should have fit perfectly, and we're still having the same issue as GPM, so it's definitely not the axles. All right, guys, 6S going in here. Back out here on 6S, let's see if we can blow the Ballen paddle tires right off the truck. I mean, it just, no problem. These are pretty awesome, guys. What do you think so far about the version 2s? Let's get a 6S going across the field here. That's half throttle. And I love the orange. Here we go. You can get about half throttle with this little guy. Body's coming off, so you know how we're just gonna have to take it all the way off right here. Well, it took 6S no problem. Let's go do it again. I kind of landed that one. These tires are taking 6S no problem. Wheels and tires. The hexes, like I said, guys, are the biggest problem. And they're taking it no problem. Just doing a million flips like you always do, buddy. Don't have to worry about the body falling off. You don't put the body on. Go back on here, baby. I love that you can't even see the truck. I did loosen up the springs. Oh, I landed that. I did loosen up the springs, guys, in hopes that maybe it's helping with the popping out problem. I did land that. I landed it. Let's go. These wheels are holding up to 6S Mini Maxx, guys. I will try them out with some bigger cars too, like a Stampede and other stuff. Let me know what cars you guys would like these paddles for. I will try those out. Let me know what car you might want these paddles on, and I'll try them out on that for you to show you that they work. Version 2 only took us 2 times, maybe figure it out. From a standstill 6S. Anything break? Don't think so. Definitely heard some weird stuff, but nothing broke. Well, guys, this has been amazing on 6S, 4S. Doesn't matter what we run it on. This thing's been pretty good. We'll take it over to the canyon real quick. You've seen how reliable this car has been. We just had little issues like the stuff popping off. There goes the body. The body's the biggest issue, but Velcro not really working once it gets dirty. We'll try to figure something else out. Into the canyon she goes. Okay, it just hit low power mode. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed 4S and 6S of testing out the Life of Ballin paddle tires. Soon, these will be available on lifeofballin.com, so go check them out. But please, I need your honest feedback of what you think about this video and the tires, and if this is something you would like to have on your car. Thank you so much. All right, guys, but that's not all with these paddle tires. We tried it out on the 6S Mini Maxx, but now we're going to be trying it out on a 2-wheel drive Slash and a 2-wheel drive Fury. So let's go see if these will still hold up. And these are going to be the same paddles that we're going to be durability testing, the same exact ones that were on here. Oh wait, you guys thought we were only going to be testing the paddles on the Mini Maxx? Wrong. We're going to be testing them on the Arrma Fury today and the Slash 2-wheel drive VXL. Everybody loves the Fury. I want to say I think our channel really made the Fury pop off. I love everybody's comment about the Fury. So of course we're going to be trying them out on the Fury here today and on my Slash 2-wheel drive. These are the same paddles off the Mini Maxx, so we'll see how the wear is after we get done bashing these two in our sand pit. Let's get on it. All right, first up, we got the Arrma Fury. Already getting stuck. 2-wheel drive for the loss. Oh my God. Oh, but once she gets traction, she's gone. She's gone. Let's get a good one of her flying across the, oh my God. Oh, she's rowdy. Oh yeah, just eat up that tree, buddy. Let's get a good little flyer out here. There she is, flying across the way. Still want to do wheelies. Lawn dart 2-wheel drive. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Oh, who heard about slap wheelies? I heard about slap wheelies. I'm so mean on the trigger, and it's just holding up. So far, so far. Let's get another jump here. Backflip to Fury. All right, last time, Byron broke our version 1s by jumping it down this hill, so let's see. Come on. Oh my God, I got it, wow. Climbs that hill with no issues. but now coming back down is the problem. He would come down here and just full throttle. Just slam it like that. Wow, I broke the body. Who would have thunk? Who would have thunk I done broke the cut up body? I just threw sand all over myself. Hold the trigger down. Oh yeah, these are working great on the Fury. Okay, it's driving by itself. Driving by itself, and I have no throttle now. So did the paddles kill the Fury? Ow, that actually hurt. All right, we're gonna let her rest and let's go to the slash two-wheel drive. Alrighty, here we go with the slash two-wheel drive. Oh, we're getting into the body. We're getting into the body. Oh, man, these axles suck, bro, I'm telling you. I have a metal axle that's just not, that just doesn't want to get together. There we go. All right, this was a dud. I love RPM, but I think these A-arms are just too long, and how they stretch out this truck, it just doesn't allow my metal drive shafts that I bought specifically for the truck to connect to each other. So back to the Fury. So you know, we're gonna have to go over here to the canyon. Ah! Plus, I can be harder on the Fury than I can be on my two-wheel drive anyway. It's got more punch. Look at it, just throw it out. That was a rock. Time to durability test you over here, baby. All right. Look, barely any power, and we're making it up. Well, this one is also very steep, but come on, dig into it, dig into it. Oh yeah, look at that, perfectly dug out. Ow. Because I'm free falling, holding the throttle down. Oh, we gotta rock it, we gotta rock it. Rock it. Driving by itself again. This Fury has been used and abused. Oh, hello. Everybody's been asking, how well do they work on a Fury? Well, here you go, boys. Hold the trigger down. Oh my God. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Almost a backflip. Okay, it's driving itself. Nice little twist. Oh, it's driving itself again. It's just giving me throttle assist. Sticky throttle. Rocket ship. Okay, never mind. Oh, it would have been a rock shot if it wasn't for the trees. Ooh, these plants smell good. Oh! Something just broke off. There we go. That's what we needed. But it wasn't even my wheel. Look at that, guys. Look at that, held sturdy. The wheel's just fine. It was the little shaft that pops off in there that you have to screw in from the back. I would say these paddles are amazing. Plus, this is like 1,000,000 degrees and it didn't even melt the wheel or the tire. Let's go, baby. I think this is a perfect success. What do you guys think? Do you like these? Should we start putting them up for sale? Would you get some? Let me know down below, guys.